4 weeks back, some of the worst news of 2020 came into light. PUBG, loved by millions in India, came to be banned, and this became a concern and worry for me who loved games. All of us thought that PUBG would come back, it would be back within 2 days a week. However, a lot of articles on Google seemed to say a completely different story. It was gone and it was not coming back for a long time. Yes, we share the same concern as you. So I tried a lot of other games and somehow they did not do it for me. I wasn't into the games and I felt like I should leave gaming as a whole. And then it struck me, I should make my own game. Me with zero knowledge of coding should make my own game. I decided on making a game with my smartphone and I started right away. However, it was way more difficult than it seemed for a noob like me. I tried a lot of different apps, but somehow all the apps ended up crashing or straight up not working. This led to a lot of frustration, but still, I was going to make my own game from scratch in 2 hours. It was going to happen. So with whatever little knowledge I had, I started to make my own game and it crashed again. Not a single app on the Play Store seemed to work properly in making an Android game, and this frustrated me to no end. However, I was still not done, so I scoured the Play Store for more apps and more apps and more apps till I found the perfect app to make my game. So finally I started making this game. I wanted to make a game in which I am a dog and I control this dog through a maze of different challenges and different bosses till in the end I win the game by scoring a goal. Seems funny? Well, it is, kinda. And not bad for a first game. So I tried hard and finally in the last 2 hours I could make a playable game. The raw footage is over 2 hours long. I'm going to fast forward maximum of the clips and cut many so that I could save a little bit of time. In the end, I'm going to include some gameplay which you can see. Making a game purely on an Android phone is not as easy as it seems. There's a lot of different processes going on and many of the apps on the Play Store simply crash. It's way easier if we use a PC to make the game. However, we are still gonna try, and once I make the perfect game, I'm going to release the link. It might take me a couple of days or a week, but I'll release the link so that we all can play this game together. I put in a lot of effort into this. For me, someone who is into physics and pursuing a doctorate in physics, making a game on Android wasn't so easy. However, I still did it because I really wanted to. If you really like my content, do consider giving my channel a subscribe and sharing it with your friends. This would go a long way into motivating me into doing more stuff like this. Thank you. Finally, the game was done. Like PUBG, I was still bad at this game. However, let's still go and play. I really am terrible at the game. I'm not going to lie, I'm really bad at this game, but I hope I'll get better at my own game eventually. still I'm not better at the game. However, I'm going to try once more and I'm pretty sure I can get it done this time. And I clutched the win in the barest of hells. Guys, this is something I really wanted to do as a change. This took a lot of time and effort in doing. I hope if you like the video, give this channel a subscribe. Now I'll show the entire map of from an aerial view. Enjoy.